In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort revenue from largest to smallest in Excel. By the end, you'll know the quickest, most reliable way to bring your highest revenue entries to the top of your sheet so you can review performance at a glance. First, make sure you can see the column that holds your revenue values. You don't need to select the entire list manually. All you have to do is click any single cell within that revenue column. Picking a cell inside the data tells Excel which column you want to sort by, and lets Excel automatically capture the surrounding rows so everything stays together. Next, look toward the top of Excel for the ribbon, the row of tabs that includes Home, Insert, Page Layout, and more. Click the Data tab. This tab contains all the tools you need to manage and analyze your dataset, including sorting and filtering. Once you're on the Data tab, you're in the right place to sort with one click. Now, click the Sort Descending button, which shows an icon labeled Z to A. Even though it says Z to A, Excel uses this same button for numbers, and it means largest to smallest. The moment you click Z to A, Excel will reorder the rows so the highest revenue values move to the top, while every other column in those rows stays perfectly aligned. That way, names, dates, product IDs, and any other details remain attached to the correct revenue figures. If your first row is a header that says something like revenue, Excel typically recognizes it and keeps it at the top automatically. You'll know it worked if your header doesn't move into the data. Also, because you clicked inside the revenue column rather than selecting a single cell elsewhere, Excel includes the entire contiguous range of your dataset, preventing any mismatched rows. A quick tip on data quality. Revenue should be stored as numbers. Currency symbols and commas are fine. Excel still treats those as numeric values. If you notice results that don't look right, it might mean some entries are stored as text. You can spot this if numbers are left aligned or show little indicators. Cleaning those up will give you the most accurate sort. After sorting, take a moment to scan the top of your list to confirm the largest values are first. If you change your mind or want to try a different approach, you can always undo and return to where you started. And that's it. Click a cell in the revenue column, go to Data, then choose Z to A. Your highest revenue items will be front and center in seconds.